Recycle, reuse and reduce. Old buckets can be given a second chance by using them as planters. In this video, let us make a macrame plant cozy and convert this planter into a decor item. Use a ruler, PVC pipe or any material that is smooth and sturdy as a base. I am using a knitting needle. Select a small bucket to begin with. Fold the macrame cord into two and cut it out a few inches longer than the circumference of the bucket that you are using. The height of the bucket determines the number of cords that would be needed. For 20 cm bucket, I would be using 14 cords. To begin with, make a lark's head knot with each cord as shown to form the base. I am using a 3-ply twisted cotton macrame cord of 4 mm thickness in this entire project. Continue the knots till the desired height is achieved. Now cut out a cord of workable length. Move the cord under, over and under the base cord and repeat the same knot again. This is the vertical clove hitch knot. Tighten the knot and push it to the top. Now slide the working cord beneath the base and repeat the same knot with each strand. Once you reach the rightmost corner, repeat these knots on your left side. When you run out of cord, you can add a new one just by making a fresh knot. To cover these loose ends, make knots over them and cut off the excess thread and continue working. I thought of dyeing the rope using acrylic paint to create a pattern. Mix the acrylic paint with water as needed. Pre-soak the macrame cord in warm water for 15 minutes to break the surface tension. Squeeze the excess water, immerse it in paint and dry the cord. This is the pattern that I would be creating. 1 to 7 is in white. 8 and 9 is done in red. Now slide the white cord beneath the red one and continue working. Again shifting to red for 10, 9, 8 and 7 and keep working. You can further touch up with acrylic paint to make it more vibrant. Now time to complete the macrame plant cozy. Slide to remove the knitting needle and release the lark's head knot. I am securing these loops by roughly making knots. Now slide the bucket or planter inside the macrame and tighten the knots. To add fringe, separate the fibers with hand. You can also use a comb. Trim the uneven ends with a pair of sharp scissors. Use hot iron or hair straightener to get a smooth fringe. Macrame, the art of decorative knotting, is a great way to relax and to decorate your home with a vintage flair. Until we meet in the next video, keep DIYing.